Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive into a new method to bypass basic, device, and strong integrity on your rooted Android device. Last month, I shared a method that worked for a while, but unfortunately, Google caught on and blacklisted it, so we need a new approach. As you can see, I'm using a Google Pixel 6 with an unlocked bootloader and kernel SU installed. Despite these modifications, I'm able to pass strong integrity. This is thanks to the new method we'll be using today. To get started, download the following Magisk modules. Download links for all modules are available in video description. Since we'll be using ZygiskNext, make sure to disable Zygisk in your Magisk settings. When using Shamiko as your Dentalist, it's important to not enable Enforce Dentalist in Magisk settings. This allows you to selectively add apps to the Dentalist if you don't want them to detect root. KernelSU is a popular root management tool, and it provides its own mechanisms for controlling module access. Now install the modules one by one. To install modules, open Magisk or kernel SU, then go to the Modules section, then click on the plus icon on kernel SU and install from storage on Magisk. Now install modules one by one. Once installed, reboot your device. Once you've installed all the modules, you might notice that your device fails the Safetynet check again. This is normal. After installation, a reboot is necessary to allow the modules to take effect and initialize properly. Now, let's see if the new method works. As you can see, after the reboot, my device successfully passes Safetynet again. This indicates that the combination of modules and configurations we've applied has effectively bypassed Safetynet checks. That's it for today's video. I hope this new method helps you bypass basic, device, and strong integrity on your rooted Android device. Remember to use this knowledge responsibly and always be aware of the risks involved. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.